at the cocoa processing factory, and we're just learning some about the lab tests that are done.
Okay, so this is the cut test. We usually take 300 beans. This takes 50, so we do this about 6 times to get 300 beans. Now, basically, you're checking for fermentation, over fermentation, under fermentation, and then you're checking for defects. You're looking for moldiness, for germination, for insect infestation.
So you're doing this to ensure proper fermentation, proper drying has happened,
precisely.
and the quality of the beans that you're receiving are perfect.
This is what informs the flavor. So we need to check that.
Thank you.
And here we are with the fellow taking the sacks, now transporting it over to the hopper. You see the beans being poured into the hopper and disappearing down into the winnowing machine. Here we are at the winnowers. You can see the shells coming away from the nibs. Those are the shells being transported out. There are actually 2 winnowing machines in this room. And the cocoa nibs, after they're separated, are then transported to a holding tank in the roasting room. And here we are in the roasting room, and those hoppers contain the nibs that came from the winnowing machine. The nibs are then blown up through that line into the alkalizer. And this is the alkalizer here. After it goes through the alkalizer, the nibs get transported into the roaster. And this facility does only nib roasting. Some facilities also roast in the shell. But these are nib roasted. And from this roasting machine, the roaster, they get transported into this holding tank and then blown up. The nibs then get blown through this line up into the grinders. And here are 2 of the grinders. And then further on behind, we have the secondary grinders. After that, the cocoa nibs are in this thick paste and stored in these holding tanks.